Bonjour français, bienvenue to your first note-taking experience. Ta-da! Aujourd'hui, on va parler des accents français. Okay, we're going to go through each one. This little guy on top of our E is an accent aigu. It is only used on the letter E. Sometimes it tells us that there used to be an S there. So étudiant means it's a student. Sometimes you can replace the E with an accent. Aigu and an S and figure out what it means. It sounds like A. So this word is M-A. Next up we have the accent grave. It starts from the top left, goes down to your grave. It is found mostly on the letter E. Sometimes it's found on an A or a U. A, U. It's very important that you remember your accents because, for example, if you take the accent grave off of this A or this U, then the meaning of that word changes. This sound is eh, like the E in bed. Alright, so we got très, secret. Alright, it's a shorter E sound than the one before, which is an A. Next up, we have our little house, the accent circonflexe. It can be found on A, E, I, O, or U, all of our vowels, but it doesn't change the sound at all. It's really more related to Old French and old spellings of some French words. Basically, it means that there used to be an S there. So if you ever see a letter with an accent circonflexe over it, throw an S after it, and you'll be able to figure out the meaning of the word. So a forêt is a forest. Next up, we have the accent tréma. These two little dots, aren't they cute? We can find the tréma on an E, I, or a U. It means that you need to pronounce the two vowels separately instead of smooshing them together. So this is no-el, not Noel. We use this word in English, naive, all right, instead of nave. So these two little guys say, it's like the vowel screaming out, don't pronounce me with the guy in front of me. I am important too. We have our accent cédille. Isn't he cute too? We will only find the cédille, little tail here, on the C. It changes the C, which could be a K sound, to a soft sound, basically to an S. So this word, garçon, it's an S sound, a soft C. So some examples you'll find, you've got ça, like comme si, comme ça. You'll see it in with a behind a U and also behind an O. So this is ça, su, so. When you come across a CI or a CE combination, they're always soft. So we got comme si, which is CI. So we don't need to put the accent cédille. We only need the cédille if we want the soft sound before an A, U, or an O. There's also some sound combinations you'll see on your notes. I talked about in class the CH is a sh sound, so this is chercher. All of these make the A sound that the aigu does. The ER, the AI, the ES, and the EZ. MA. IY, or even the ILLE is an E. So this is a pays. EAU and OU make O, so chateau. We've talked about the OY being wa, moi. And the TH is a T. It's not a the. It's not a softer sound like in English. It's hard. T. You never pronounce these guys. The H. The id is the edge, and the L is the edge. The id will do it. The ENT at the end of a word you'll never see. You'll never pronounce, rather. And really, any consonant at the end of the word will never be pronounced. Give these few words a try. Pause. Think. It is été because of the accent aigu. Oh, this is one of my favorite. You got to really break it down. You've got the OI, which is wa. Where'd my little mouse go? Wa. And then O, plus the S in the middle. Oiseau. De, so, be, ir. Fi, that Y sound. Ooh, a démon. Pouvoir, that O-I, war. Poète, There's your short E. Théâtre. Théâtre. We learn how to read English by sounding out words. We're going to do the same thing in French. And that's it. We went fast, so remember, what can you do? Go back, watch it again, pause, take your notes, and then keep going, all right? And if you have any questions, jot them down on the side, and I will answer them. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.